In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a colored widget on your iPhone. So before I start with the video, please subscribe to my channel. So go to your App Store and search for color widget. Once you have searched for that, let's just download this app. So now that the app is installing, you need to wait a few moments, and now that it's on download, you just want to tap on open, click on continue, and you can choose your first widget. Let's say I want this one, and select continue. Oh, let's ignore this. So if I were to long hold here, click on the plus at the top left and click on the color widget, I have the thing I chose. So I just need to select the one I like, add widget, click done, and that's pretty much it. If you want to remove it, long hold, remove widget, and that's it. That's how you do it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like, and also if you're still having issues, let me know in the comments down below.